Hi everyone, and welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we will be making a classic Greek dish, giant baked beans, known in Greek as gigantes. We soak the giant lima beans in water overnight. Now we rinse them and place them in a pot over high heat with water just covering them. Boil them for about 1 hour and add more water if needed. Now preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius. Strain the beans and pour them into a baking dish with lots of olive oil. Add 1 chopped onion, one medium chopped carrot, 2 stalks of chopped celery, two scallions chopped, and chopped fresh parsley. Add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 2 cups of crushed tomatoes. Now we add 2 cups of veggie broth and about 3/4 of a cup of white wine. Now we add cinnamon sticks and bay leaves, salt and pepper to taste, a drizzle of olive oil, chopped garlic, and finally chili flakes. Due to the erosive properties that tomato has, we put parchment paper before using aluminum foil. Bake the beans for about 1 hour or until creamy and buttery. And there we have it, giant baked beans. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Feel free to comment any suggestions you may have or ideas for future videos. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.